मैम CNBC आवाज में आपका स्वागत है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कि व्हाट वुड यू सी द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ ओवरऑल GST रिफॉर्म्स, कितना असर पड़ेगा पूरे हेल्थ सेक्टर पे, खासतौर से हमारे कंज्यूमर हैं, हॉस्पिटल्स हैं, कितना असर पड़ेगा उनको?
So definitely there is a good impact on the healthcare sector in terms of creating access to healthcare. The first is to look at, the fact that GST has been removed from insurance. So I believe that, the penetration of insurance will increase dramatically, and people will have access to good healthcare facilities. If you look at healthcare per se, there will be some saving, because the main problem with healthcare is that we have no set off against the input taxes that we pay, and this is an issue that's not been resolved. However, cancer drugs have been made cheaper, there's no GST on cancer drugs, 5% on the rest of the medicines. There is benefit to consumables, which is good for us. It's low. GST has been lowered to about 11%. And more importantly, if you look at India needs 24 lakh new beds. 35% of the beds are actually in the government. Healthcare in India, 65% of it is private. So we need to incentivize the private sector to expand capacity. And some of the GST benefits that have come for infrastructure by reducing the cost of, bricks, cement, granite and marble should benefit the creation of more infrastructure and new hospitals.
Ma'am, what is the expansion plan for the Apollo hospitals? How the things is going on the front of medical tourism and all these things and the day-to-day operations of the hospital?
So currently we are adding 1,500 beds in the next 2 years, 700 beds this year, 700 beds in the next year. Then there is a 18 months gap, and then again we'll add for the next 3 years 700 beds, 700 beds. So we do have a commitment to in a 5-year term of 6,000 crores and an addition of 3,500 beds.